Hey guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley and TS Tech Talks video. So in today's video guys, I want to show you guys how to enable people nearby on your own account. So you want people to discover you without having your contact or your username. This is just how to do that. Go ahead and open your Telegram application and then click on this menu icon right here. You notice where it says people nearby, click on that. And now you notice where it says people nearby, make myself visible, right? Go ahead and tap on that. Now it has an option, it has a notification that gives you more detail describing what it does when you enable this option. So people will be able to discover you without having your phone number or your contact. Then I'm going to describe this more. I already described this more on my previous video, so I'm going to leave the link below so that you can check it out. So go ahead and click on OK to turn that on. Now you notice it says stop showing me, right? Whenever you want it to stop displaying you on this particular section, all you need to do is to click on stop showing me. So this is all for today's video guys, and for more information please check on the link below to learn more about this. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more video. Peace.